love Mexican food. What about you? Welcome to Beautonic Life, and today I am going to show you how to make crazy delicious taco casserole. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients already prepped. Today I am going to use ground pork sausages, but you can use any ground meat you like chicken, beef, etc. And I wanted to mention here that it's very important to use the best quality of meat. Let me tell you why. First of all, we are what we eat, so we wanna use the best quality of food. So today I am using meat from Butcher Box. They have amazing grass-fed meat. If you are interested in getting meat from Butcher Box, I will post the link below the video. Okay, the next ingredients I have is organic rice cauliflower, and because of this Mexican food, I am using taco seasoning. I love this one because has clean keto compliant ingredients, and salsa. Always make sure to check if there is no added sugar on it. Organic mozzarella cheese, but you can use any other cheese like Mexican cheese. We have pork rinds, and for our topping we will use green olives, but you can use also black one, green onions, and cherry tomato. All right, I have my glass dish. I will lightly spray it with avocado oil. Now I am going to put organic cauliflower rice on the bottom of the dish. Next, I am going to use salsa and put over our rice. I am going to put our meat. It smells delicious already. Sprinkle with our cheese. Next layer is pork rinds. Also make sure there is no extra added ingredients. So I posted my favorite brands below the video. Now I'm using olives and another layer of cheese. I am putting our delicious casserole into preheated oven, and I will see you in a moment. Wow, it smells delicious. I baked the dish about 10 minutes, and I need to tell you, and I promise you, this casserole totally satisfies cravings for Mexican food. So let me garnish our dish. I am using creamy avocado. This is my proposition, but you can use any topping you like. I love the color combination, looks so beautiful. And then cherry tomato. And the last one is green onions. I will show you how it looks inside of it. Alright, so now it's time for real taste test. Mike, can you come over?
Hello everyone.
Okay. You can tell us your honest opinion about the dish.
So this tastes like a real Mexican food. It reminds me of our time in Mexico. I feel like I need a beach, I need some palm trees, I need a drink, and this is perfect. And I don't know if food can taste.
Yeah, this is keto compliant, so the one we had in Mexico is a little bit different one, but I'm happy that you said it reminds you this type of dish, right?
Right. Yeah,
Okay.
so it's very good. If food can be romantic, this is really romantic food.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please comments below. You can ask me any question related with ketogenic diet, or maybe you have some propositions so I can record a video for you. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!